You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German geographer. In English should be said as Alexander von Humboldt is how you'd normally pronounce it in English. Now, because he was German, you may want to hear how it's said in German, and that's Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.